All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. I am your host. The name is Hassan, and this channel is about my struggle to become a profitable day trader. I'm here streaming live every market open, putting my orders out there, letting you guys see it, trading real time so you guys can see the good, the bad, the ugly. If that's your type of thing, hit that like button and subscribe and join the struggle, man. Today is Friday, June 14th. And not too much going on this morning. The SPY is beneath yesterday's close. So is most of everything else except Nvidia, Tesla, ARM. Adobe had great earnings and they've gapped up 14%. I'm not watching TSM per se. So I'll just put the SPY right there, and then I have Shop. What's up, Ben? Good morning. I really like what ARM is doing. I think a nice little pullback maybe to 158.70, and then a break back up from there would be nice on ARM. Three Pony, what's going on? Yeah, but I don't know. I want to have a fun Friday, so I don't want to be reckless.
Hot damn hole, here we go again.
Yeah, just gotta be patient. Just gotta be patient. See what the market gives us. Try not to make the same mistakes over and over. Yeah, I was thinking Adobe over 531, man, but you know how those things go. Man, the ones that are going are going. Really wanted to buy the SPY right there, but I just hadn't looked at any of the levels on it to justify it. But it really is a great 2-minute opening range breakout. Just felt kind of whew. Looks like that SPY play was that move. For now, anyway. SPY is the only thing going up. I gotta leave that 2 minute alone for the first few minutes. I gotta leave it alone. Bruh, I literally was about to get this opening range breakout on SPY, but I don't usually trade SPY, so I felt a little intimidated. But that would have been a good play. Would have entered right at the break of this. We'll see though. See how it plays out. Look at Meta over here though. Yeah, I'm in shop. I already took a swing and a miss on it, but 5 minute opening range breakout. Had to jump in on that one. Yeah, Ray Ryder. What's going on? It is Friday. I'm hoping for a retest of 66 and a hold of VWAP so I can add to this puppy. And then we'll really get rocking. Because I got a pretty wide stop as of right now. Man, I really wish I would have taken the SPY this morning. Come on, shop. Come on down. Come on down. It doesn't look like it's going to, though. And there goes arm. This is not nice price action though. To try and let that thing chill out a little bit. Hey, we up 2R already on shop. Man, I just want a place to add on it. Without just buying a breakout. Actually, that's 1R. That's 1R. I'm risking 10 right now. As you can see on my first stop out. Whoa. What's up, Olu? Whoa, look at shop. Let's go. Joe Dub, E46, what's going on, y'all? Done for the day. Nah, man, I'm actually realized negative 1R right now, so I gotta bring something home first. You got lost on Adobe. I was definitely eyeballing it. I just didn't see a way in, which, I mean, looks pretty crappy. The price action on Adobe is horrible. Spy is kind of crashing out. Hope that doesn't jack us up too much. It's really dropping. I know there was supposed to be some news or some speakers or something this morning. I think my stops are pretty low though, so hopefully they'll survive. ARM doesn't seem to care too much about what the SPY is doing. Michigan numbers. Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, the SPY does not like that. Whatever that was, the SPY don't like it. Man, the SPY is really dropping. 3R. 3R take profit. All or nothing. I'm risking $10 a trade right now, though, Joe. That's why I'm down $11.40 on my first trade on Shop. So I'm going for $30 on each one of these. Yeah. So I guess now I'm just hoping everything has enough relative strength to keep going up while the SPY is free falling. Oh, you're looking out. Thank you, sir. All right, Shop is coming all the way back in. Ooh, look at ARM though. That's what I'm talking about. $428. $168.45. Alright, don't threaten me with a good time, Shop. Come on, ARM. We halfway there on Nvidia. Come on, ARM. ARM looked like it wanted bad. Man, Shop is dying. Come on, Shop. Dang. Where's the buyers? Shop's looking sketchy, but ARM and Nvidia are looking fantabulous. Look at that, man. Whoa, did I just change something? That ain't good. Yeah, I wish my stop was a little bit lower. $0.33. Yeah. That's all I can give you. Dang, man. Man, again, Joe? Yeah. It's why you gotta pick the one that works in your advantage most of the time. So there's always gonna be times when you should have moved up your stop to save you, or you should have left your stop alone. So you just kind of gotta pick one and go with it, and just accept the fact that sometimes, or you try to be a little dynamic and just judge on the situation. But like, that's why I'm trying to just be 3R all or nothing. Like, I know sometimes it's gonna go way past 3R, but I'm just trying to accept that it's gonna hit 3R enough times to to work out for me. Nice, man. I was so close to getting into the spy this morning. I guess in hindsight, I'm glad I didn't, because it didn't go very far. But yeah, I was very close. Dang, ARM, you about to stop out? Are you serious? See, I should have had my stops up on ARM and all of these, probably, because I'm pretty sure I had 2R on most of these already. So my stop should be at break even, but let's see how it goes. I feel you, Joe. But those are fixable things. That's something you could just adjust over time, and then you'll be straight. Like, of the mistakes to make, it's good when you're working on the mistakes that are just profit taking and managing. Like, you're picking the right stuff, and you just got to work on managing the trade, so it's not a terrible place to be on the journey. I'm kind of looking at Adobe over here on the 15. Wow, it looks so crappy on every other time frame though. Thinking Adobe over 527, but it looks really crappy. Come on, shop, go on back up there. Man, I sure wish I could have taken profit. 67.30. 67 would have been much better. Now ARM is struggling over here at yesterday's Yesterday's high, I think. Good spot to bounce. Pretty comfortable on Nvidia. Yeah, that's great, man. Just to get to a point where you're not losing money. Man, yeah, I remember dealing with when I was with CMEG, man, my fees were ridiculous. And it made it so much worse. Like if you had a bad day and then I go the next day and look at my prop reports and realized I paid like another $20 in fees or sometimes $60 just from going in and out of things. It was terrible, man. It would just make the loss that much more devastating. All right, shop. Spy's heading back up. Nvidia is looking awesome. Should have added right there, boy. That Adobe on the 15 look like it's kind of working. Back above VWAP. Well, if I'm committed, the reason I'm cool with doing that, Ben, is because I'm committed to my stop. And if I can add here and still keep my stop under the swing low, and it goes up, then great. If it goes down and breaks the low, then I'm out anyway. And if I just raise my stop, I'm gonna save like $1 or something like that. You know. NVIDIA, let's go. Oh, NVIDIA's nice. Very nice. Come on now. Hold that 132. Just need another couple candles to the upside, and we out of there. This is a pivotal moment on shop here. Really need a higher high right here. Really need 66.40. Dang, arm pulled back quite a bit, eh? Hive day 29, 31 now. There we go. It's 33, 34. Hey, shot back in the green. Come on, baby. We got 40s. I know, right? Crazy. Yo! Yes, sir. We got it, man. We made it. Okay. Now we just gotta get shop and arm home. Okay, look at shop, made another higher high. Man, yeah, that 15-minute is crazy on NVIDIA. I'm glad to have been in it. Boy, I'm glad I didn't take that Adobe. Man, shop is just, bruh, shop won't get it together. It seemed like it's moving with the SPY, but much more weak. Like relative weakness. Appreciate it, George. Yeah, Nvidia was beautiful. Beautiful trade. I took this on a 5-minute opening range breakout, 15-minute as well, really. But I started with my stop like way down here, and then I added and put my stop just under VWAP, and then just let that thing ride, man. What a big move it made. Yes, sir. It's still just 3R. I'm risking $10 a trade today. So, you know, you just turn the risk up a little bit and do the same stuff, you know, and make a little bit more money. I think ARM is going to be okay. I like what it's doing right now. Shop. I want to say Shop is looking good. It's making higher lows. I just want to see it. I'm ready to take my risk off on Shop. Now that I done got a good trade under my belt, I'm ready to tighten up a bit. SPY might be making a comeback, which could help out tremendously. What you in this morning, Olu? Oh no, man. This top tail on ARM is looking kind of sketchy. But we'll get back over 167.69. Yeah, they did. I think so. Hold on. I feel like ARM did hit 2R, so yeah, I was just saying that I feel like my stop should have been at break even by now. Tesla and Apple. I had Tesla up. You went short Tesla? Or is that just one that didn't work out? Because Tesla's down bad. Apple ain't looking too hot either, unless you caught it down there at 213-ish. Yeah, I think so. I think I will. Yeah, because I almost hit target on Shop. So, yeah, I was definitely 2R in the money on Shop. Yeah, so I really shouldn't have any risk on right now. But I really want to give these things some room to work because I think they're, I don't know, Shop is definitely stressing me a bit because it feels like the move's been made and I just missed my opportunity to take profit. But I like how it's holding up. And I've seen this a bunch of times where it trades below VWAP for a while and then makes its break up for the second move. I went up to $10 risk today, Pharaoh. So I'm trying to step it up. I want to step it up as quickly as possible, but I need to put some cushion on the account first. So I can't go up too high and then have a bad day and wipe out a bunch. But yeah, I'm very anxious to size up right now. All right, there we go. That's what we wanted to see on Shop, man. Yes, sir. Yep, that's facts, Joe. That is facts. Man, I like what what shop is doing right now, man. This is very promising. Arm looks decent as well. We might get these bad boys home, man. This might be an awesome Friday. We'll see. Inshallah. Where's Bob? Bob Ellingford. Haven't seen any of the OGs in a while. I don't know, man. Arm is taking his sweet time. Man, my break even's right at this yellow line pretty much. I kind of want to give it a chance to come and tap VWAP if it wants to, but I don't know if it'll stop right there. I really just wanted to keep moving up, of course, as we all do when we're in a long position. What's gonna happen here? Dang, I seen some 165s come over this thing. Okay. Come on. I'm really hot right now too, though. Come on, Arm. I hope this is ending volume right here at VWAP. A lot of buyers stepping up, and this thing can keep going. The SPY and broke all the way down. Oh, don't do it. I'm on the 1 minute. Come on, Arm. Hold the line. You jumped in the shop? Oh, just now? Skipped all the red stuff, huh? Come on, Arm. Oh, dang. Definitely should have had my Arm at break even, man. I gotta take better care of that rule. Yeah. It's a little sketchy right now. The SPY is the main issue. Yeah, it's looking bad, man. If it breaks that 540. Man, I really wanted ARM. Oh. Yeah, that stuff ain't even on my radar. I forgot about that whole Friday expiration stuff. Man, Nvidia's pulling all the way back in. What's Google doing? Ah, look at that. Google went off and had a day. Yeah, that looks pretty bad on shop. Looks pretty bad. Hmm. I know, man. Shop is not looking great right now. I like this right here though. We can get back over 50. I think we got a nice little bullish he talking about this guy. I think we make another high over 50. I think we got a nice little bullish setup going for ourselves. Signature. Hey, Bob, I was just asking about you. Trading's been going pretty well. Pretty well. Still not perfect like I would like to be, but it's been going pretty good. Man, I almost want to try ARM again right here. Come on, shop. Will do, Bob. Appreciate that, bro. Google looks cool right here on the 15, but like whenever Google makes this type of move up, I just don't ever expect it to keep going. Like that's pretty much the move Google makes. Yeah, we definitely need SPY to hold. Yeah, Google actually looks really good on the 15. I just don't trust it. I think Adobe looks nice too. Nah, Adobe, you gotta wait for it to trade over the opening range and all that good stuff. It's got a lot to prove yet. Yeah, man. It really looks like it's following the SPY. It's just not as volatile. So it's actually a bit stronger than the SPY as far as where it's been trading. But if we can get the SPY back up, it would help tremendously, I think. Man, I really do want to try ARM over here again. Okay, shop. Drink too much Red Bull. Alright, shop. That's what we need to see. $0.25, so 66.09. $0.75, so we only need 66. 67.09. right, got our target under high of day, which is a beautiful thing. Microsoft. Ooh, whoa, that looks nice. That's a really nice on the 15 there, over 44, 41, 34. That's nice. I like that. Look good on the 5 too. Man. Yeah, that's nice. Bruh. I really been thinking about getting back in ARM over here, man. I don't know. Shop looking good though. That's for sure. Man, Google still looks great. $0.56 stop. I know, man. It's looking strong. Back up to pre-market high right now. Man, ARM, man. It had to show me something real good, though. Stop losses break even. Adobe's crashing. Ooh, we testing 67. Come on, man. Man, we got to see that new high day, man. If ARM throw me a nice setup, I need to see a higher high, higher low, though. I don't know, man. I ain't tripping on ARM. I ain't tripping. We good. Come on, shot. Think we got the spy helping us out. I think we got the spy helping us out. Yeah, I see Adobe breaking down over here. SPY looks like it's going up though. I'm very close to trying ARM. Nah, you know what? I'm gonna just go ahead and heed to this big red candle here. ARM is done. I'm gonna call ARM done. Yeah, buddy, that SPY is going up. Come on. Come on now. Nvidia's running back up. Come on. SPY is pushing right now. Yeah, I'm seeing that. We can get past them though. I believe it was a good trading week. Think I've been green every day this week. Have I? Let me see. Let's see. Monday was the 10th. Okay, Monday was the 10th. Monday I was up 8R, Tuesday 3R, Wednesday 4R, Thursday 3R. Say it was a pretty good week, man. Oh, you sold? What was the difference? I think incorporating the 15-minute, like making the 15-minute chart my focus, kind of looking at the bigger picture of the move. I think that really played a big part. And I'm getting used to seeing bad setups as bad setups. Like trading lower highs, like I'm doing that less. And entering beneath the opening range, I'm doing that less. So I'm making fewer mistakes, I feel like, and I'm looking at higher time frames more. So good short winner. Hey man, ain't nothing wrong with that. It is looking sketchy up here though. I'll tell you what. Risk is off the table on shop. I'm at break even on shop. I think I deserve that. Look at Google, man. See that 15? Look at that 15 right here, man. The 15 looked amazing on Google. Big move up, consolidated for 15, 30, 45 minutes, and then through this nice little pattern right there. It's a nice setup. Yeah, definitely the bull week helps a lot. Man, Adobe's been tempting quite a lot. ADBE. It's downtrending though. That's the only problem. It's literally in a long downtrend right now. So I don't know. I like the candles that it's making, and I mean it hasn't made a lower low on the day, but like it's just constantly making lows. 523.45, 522.44, 522.38. So I don't know, man. And it's way below the opening range, which you know how I feel about that. It's testing the bottom of the opening range. But, you know, I'm looking for price to build on itself, so I wanted to create the opening range and then break over the top of it and start to build. Okay, shop. What did this do? Oh, this is the one. Let's go back to the two. 66.99 is the high from this run. High of day is 67.12. My target is 67.09. 09. Look at Google already in the money. I might go on and move my stop up on Google just because that's a high day breakout. Either it's going to break or it's not. Come on, shop. Just break 67 and we'll be good. Got to get through 95. Going the wrong direction here. Thanks, Signature. Spy pulling back, so is Google. Come on, get over 95. Got 6,600 shares sitting at 96. Got through that. Come on. There's 99. They putting the shares up at 67. Ooh, look at those shares. There we go. There we go. Come on, few more pennies. Few more pennies for your boy. Come on, little higher. What am I at? 6709. Come on now. When you get this close, it's like, why don't I just sell it? Why am I waiting for 2 more pennies? But you gotta hit that target, man. 07, 08, bruh. Dang, man, so close. 6708 is what it went up to. Sitting at 6709. In other news, Google is doing okay. Back under 66 or under 67. Glad I didn't get back in ARM. ARM looks dead. Come on, man. Back up to 07s. 2 more pennies, and we out of there. There's 8. I know, right? Come on, man. 2 pennies. Bruh. I know, man. Bruh, this is too much. Come on. There's 8. There's 9. Oh, let's go. It's Friday, payday. Oh man, that was tough. Sheesh. All right, it's all on Google now. Yeah, YouTube is a very controlled as far as YouTube's very censored. There's a lot of topics that if you search on Google or YouTube, you're gonna get a very you're gonna get intentional search results that are meant to point you in a certain direction. I know, right? 80 cents. Hey, man. It's the little things in life, 3 Pony. Stop loss at break even on Google. I'm not really wanting to play with my profits at this stage. Let's just see where this free trade takes us. Oh yeah, trading resources. Yeah, it's a lot of people just trying to make some money in the trading world. I didn't. It's really surprising how scammy the stock market world is. Everybody's got a course and the easy way to make money in the market. Appreciate you, Joe. All of that type of stuff. Ain't no easy way, man. It's like anything else, man. It gets easy when you learn it and you get your hours in. Nvidia's making a wedge on the 15. Look at Google. Got a few other things looking green today. Microsoft ended up going really nicely. That was nice on the 15. I needed you to mention it like 5 minutes sooner. I think I would have jumped on that Microsoft. But we really got enough for today. Man, the SPY looks really good on the 15 as well. If SPY mess around and make a new high of day, might have a pretty cool day out of Google. One R. I know, man. I'm really thinking about just taking 1R and making this a 1-to-1 trade. Cause I just ain't trying to fool with it today, man. I'm at the very least I'm thinking of just raising my stops on the 5 minute. Cause a pullback, if it pulls back, I'm out of there. It could wiggle around a little bit though. It is a great 15-minute setup. And I already got my stop at break even, so I'm not gonna be hasty over a couple dollars. I'm gonna let it cook a little bit, especially with the SPY looking good like it is. Even with a week straight of green days, I still can't help but feel like it's like a fluke or luck. It's weird. I am happy that on the day I raised my risk up to $10 though, it's a green day. That's really nice. Seems like the last few times I've raised my risk, I've always been red on that day. Imposter syndrome. Yeah. Come on, Google, you done already? Got my stop under the 15 low and break even, so if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Yeah. Well, we got a 5-day streak started, man. We get a 10-day streak next week, especially at $10 risk. Could be pretty cool. I was thinking about that, but I feel like it's always gonna be struggling with something. And I like it because it's relatable. Like, I really don't want to have the I'm a good trader. I'm a wizard trader and come learn from me. I don't know. I don't like that vibe, man. It's just, I don't know. Although, I mean, I love to teach and all of that, but I'm here to be a profitable trader, not a profitable course seller or YouTuber. Although, I mean, that stuff is great too, but to me, if you're really a good trader, selling that other stuff is kind of an inefficient use of your time. Paper trader. Like, if you really got a 80% win rate and a proven strategy and all of that, like, spending a bunch of time teaching, unless you're just really passionate about it, is an inefficient use of your time. Because, I mean, you can make so much money trading and then go do the other stuff, like live life. But I don't know. I do love this stuff a lot, though. I like talking about it. I like hearing other people's ideas and strategies, and yeah. So I don't know. All right, we make a new high. I'm gonna move my stop up under these candles. Current high is 87, 176.87. Look at the SPY. That's what I'm talking about. High today on the SPY, 41.63, 541.63. We just hit 65. New high day on the SPY. Look at NVIDIA on the 15. That's not bad. That is not bad on the 15 on NVIDIA. Question is, are we willing to risk another R from our day to take a trade? ARM got like a double bottom going. Is that a new high? Oh no, 87 is the high. Yeah, Google's moving up very quietly. It's a nice build though. Like, breaks above a level and then kind of pulls back, consolidates. It's not a bad way to move up. This type of movement can keep you slow and steady going up the whole day. So we'll see if we can survive here. Make another high. Let's see. I really want like 226 off of Google. That's 11 cents. That's all I need to get that. Alright, it breaks the $half. I'm out of Google. Let me take my little 4-hour day and be happy with that. Shop look like it might keep going. I don't know if that makes sense though. Because I think it still looks good. I'm going to stop out for no reason. Especially with the SPY looking like it wants to move up. I'm going to try to stay in this. Still going to chill at break even though. And I will move my stop up once we make another high. Especially if we can get over 177. Look like shop is still rolling. New high day on shop. Boy, this ad right here was bananas. I was ready for that thing to go straight up. Yeah, man, that's where you start. You gotta start paper trading, man. To just jump in the market with money without any experience is wild. Yeah, losing is definitely not fun. Especially like a whole week. Like, bro, I had a red week a couple weeks ago. It might have been red 2 weeks. Now I was just like, bro, what am I doing, man? This is not it. All right, shop's still going up. Google's looking a little weak here. Oh, yeah? What do you get if you win? Okay, that's what's up. They send it to you cash or they put it in your trading account? Because I'm sure they want you to trade with it. Yeah, it's not that exciting. $1,000 would have been better. $100 barely gets your foot in the door trading. Yeah. Okay, Google. SPY moving up. Google moving up. See, I would have stopped out right there at 49. Nice. Yep, shop is still going. Still going. I did good selling that high of day though. Been trying to do good at selling where you're supposed to sell. And I'm trying to be happy with my 3R. And I'm very happy with it right now. Okay. New high on Google. I'm gonna go ahead and raise that stop up and get my 4R locked in. $4R locked in on the day. I mean, I probably would have called it 4R anyway, but let's make it clean. Make it clean. Okay, Google. Let's check on yesterday. Start looking at some levels here. Oh yeah, look at that. We all above yesterday. So we got the day before yesterday. That we got to trade through, which I would say we got a significant level at 177.50. $78.13 is the bottom of that, but okay. We'll see. I actually wouldn't mind chasing it up on the 5-minute chart. Just every time a candle closes, move it up. Adobe. It's making higher lows now. Ain't much to look at though. Still haven't broken 177 yet. SPY made a new high of day though. I'll take a quick restroom break, y'all. I'll be right back. Hit that like button for me. Oh, dang. There we go. Technical difficulties. Man, whenever I go to the bathroom, I always hope I come back and I'm like way up. Not this time. Yep, you could. You definitely could. Free money. Man, shop is still rolling. Man, it's gonna be nice if Google can bounce up from there and break through 177, because I will move my stop right up under there with the quickness. Dang, is this gonna be the ending volume? Is that the end of the move? I didn't think it would be, because it still made another high after that ending volume. What you talking about free money, Ben? You got some free money over there? Are you talking about this trade that I got above break even? Oh, for that challenge. Come on, Google. Spy is pulling back. How low will it go? You know what? I meant to have Netflix on my radar this morning. Dang. Dang. I totally meant to have Netflix. I pulled it up at the last minute and just totally forgot about it. I wish I would have had that up. Look at this, man. 2 nice entries right here. Either here or here on Netflix. Man. What a beautiful trade that could have been. No Netflix. Well, Google might be dead. As the spy rushes down to VWAP. Same to you, Pharaoh. do 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 do. Okay, Spy looked like it might be trying to bounce that VWAP down there. If Google could just hold the $half line. Yep. Yep, for sure. You fasting tomorrow, Bob? Is it over, Google? Is it over? Yeah. All right. Well, got a little $2 on Google. Still not didn't get to my $40, but we gonna call that good. Oh man, is it gonna bounce from right there? Hmm. Well, made 4R on this good fun Friday. Man, disappointed in arm. This should have been a break even trade though, honestly. I definitely made it up to 2R. I should have raised my stop up to break even. I got to do better at that. Man, what a nice trade on Nvidia. That was beautiful. How do we do the Eid? Usually just go to we rent out some kind of big space and go have the morning prayer. And our community tries to do it outside when the weather permits. And then we have usually community events going on for the next 3 days for the days of Tashriq. It's pretty cool. Yeah, arm was not having it today. If I could have caught an entry down here, there was just no confirmation down here though. Probably would have made it to my TP. But gotta have that confirmation. This was a nice this was an opening range breakout, basically on the 5 or the 15, either one. I think I took it on the 5 and put my stop under this candle. And then I'm just looking to add once I get even more confirmation, so I can raise my stop close to VWAP. And then you just let it ride. And this thing worked out beautifully. Pretty much the same kind of setup on Shop. No, not Shop. Arm. Arm was a similar breakout. The difference, though, I guess not really the difference. Yeah, it just didn't have as far to go. There's a place, a farm that a lot of the brothers go to. It's like an hour away from our community, but there's actually a close one, and then there's some brothers who just get them and do it all in their backyard. So just depends, but yeah, it's available. Brothers do it every Eid usually. And do it all in their backyard. Checking these likes. 6 likes. think I'm done, y'all. I don't want to there's really not much going on. The SPY is looking awful. And hey man, it's kind of a slow Friday. And to make it out with 4R on a slow Friday, I'm happy with that, man. And on $10 risk, raise the risk up. 4R is looking a lot better. Come on. Yeah, man, I think I'm about to call it. Start the weekend off right now. Hope you guys had a great week, man. Stay safe out here on the market and out here in the world. Look out for my review video, and I raised the risk today, Bob. I went up to $10 risk. That's why you see this 4R at $40 today instead of $20. So yeah, man. But yeah, man, have a good weekend, you guys. And trade safe, and we'll see you guys Monday. Yes, sir. Hit that like button on your way out for me, guys, and have a good weekend. Peace.